Oh, the best stuff is from the dang, that's for sure. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here, on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, and concerns. Any and everything down below. Alright. Newspaper. Huh, that's still a thing. Wait a minute. Classifieds? Wow. That's something else. This box is so cool already. And there it is. In its own case. With the twist top. So the original cellos had this twist top on them. As you can see, secured in there with bubble wrap. And then these are referred to as the starry candies. You can see the little stars on the packs. And yes, this is the die-cut Donald. What a cool dispenser. Untouched since it was put in its little twist top wrapper. Oh, I can't necessarily see the insert in there, but... Oh, Mickey's on there. But no. We must save the integrity of the dispenser and keep it here well protected. Because this is a very cool item. It's so cool. So until next time...